Are you one of these people that are losing money with binary option? Well, I'm here to help you. Stay around and I will tell you in the end how you can turn things around and how you also, like me, can make money. Okay? So, first of all, let's me show you a trading strategy that actually do work. Of course, when you trade live with me, you will get a much more in-depth way of trading. So you always find links below the video, okay? So, for example, here, my entry level I will put around up here. Yes, a huge area. I will probably enter when he pass around to the filling up like a bar there. So if you come up here, I will then basically just push down with a 1 minute close. Easy peasy. Now you wonder, do you make money with this type of strategy? Yes, I do. Basically here also, before I get to my numbers, see here now, I would also take an entry more like this. I always look to the left and I get good clues. I will also enter here. When I trade live, I explain more in depth why I choose this area I choose and how you can choose them together with me. And you also, when you trade live, you'll be able to take the trades I take, because you see now, for example, we are live here now, for example, let's say, you see, we have good time to take trades here, good time to take trades here. And I go through all the pairs of pairs, we get a lot of trades. So, how did I actually do today? Let's go here, let's book this heading. You can see I did 17 trades, not the best win rate, but at least we won money. You see 58.82% and we made $229. You can see this broke a little. We got 4 trades here, all losers. So we lost, this broke a little the day for us today. But by the way, we made good money. And you can see here we also get some cashbacks once in a while, so you can just push this and that will also be added to the balance. So that is pretty cool. So yes, now to how you can make money. Okay, I do trade live on this broker and I do trade live on this broker here, Pocket Option. That's the two brokers that I use when I trade live. Also, while I trade live, I also trade here. You can see we got an entry here. I gave this signal today and you can see we are already running in profit. So I also trade Forex. So you get Forex, you get binary option in 2 different brokers. And all this you can get from signing up here. If I can write correct, would be very cool. There, Alpha One Signals. You find this will be the first link that you find below the video. Basically what you do, you just go here, you choose the broker that you want to trade with me. It can be all 3 of them. And here is the Forex broker, here is the 2 different binary option brokers. So if you want all of them, choose all. If you want just one, choose one. I trade live every single day, so make sure you sign up. So that is basically the way that you can get started and you can make money also. Because not only can you copy my signals, but you get insights in how I am thinking, how I choose my trades, how I don't take some support resistance, because of course if you trade every support and resistance you will lose money, of course you will. So with me you will always learn how I choose my trades, why I take them and all this good stuff. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today, make account, trade together with me. You can trade already tomorrow if you do this now. So I hope I see you and enjoy.